Meet the Avatar 06, a collaboration between Chang'an, CATL, and Huawei. This SUV feels more like a sophisticated gadget than a traditional car. Harmony OS integrates seamlessly with your devices, and a panoramic screen creates an immersive digital cockpit. AI-driven features personalize everything: seats, mirrors, climate, lighting, instantly. Under the hood, a semi-solid-state battery pack delivers over 620 miles of range. Ultra-fast charging adds 200 miles in just 10 minutes. Dual-motor all-wheel drive means nearly 700 horsepower and 0-60 in under 3 seconds. Advanced air suspension and rear-wheel steering make it agile and comfortable. The Avatar 06 is a technological showcase and a thrilling drive. It's proof that China is leading the smart SUV charge. Watch this space. Now, the Hyundai Ioniq 9 Calligraphy, Hyundai's electric flagship. This 3-row SUV is all about practical, family-oriented luxury. The design is bold yet approachable, with signature lighting and a spacious, airy interior. Swiveling second-row seats create a lounge-like atmosphere, perfect for family trips. Sustainable materials abound: recycled plastics, plant-based leathers, and eco-friendly finishes. Built on Hyundai's eGMP platform, it offers ultra-fast charging, 10% to 80% in about 20 minutes. Over 350 miles of range and vehicle-to-load tech let you power devices or even your home. Dual-motor, all-wheel drive delivers over 500 horsepower for effortless acceleration. Adaptive suspension ensures a smooth, serene ride. The Ioniq 9 proves family SUVs can be high-tech, luxurious, and green.